Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Demacia rising is not working on PC. So the first thing what you need to do here is to open up View Network Connection, then right click on your connection, Properties, then you need to go to Internet Protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses and write 8.8.8.8 and here 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. Next step what you need to do here, you need to write run. And not run cmd, I'm sorry. Make sure to run as admin. And then you need to put few commands. Don't worry, it's not bad commands. First one is ipconfig /flushdns. Another command is netsh winsock reset. And then it will be a few more commands here. I will leave all the commands in the video description below so you can easily copy and paste it to command prompt. Another thing that you need to do here is to go to settings, and on settings you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and then here you should see network reset and press reset now. Your computer will restart, and if you're using Wi-Fi you need to put your Wi-Fi password again, and if you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. And also make sure that disable interactive background effects is unticked on your client on League of Legends.